Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best F-150 tail lights is probably one of the most crucial components for your truck's safety and aesthetics. These lights not only ensure visibility for other drivers, but also enhance the overall look of your vehicle. Whether you're upgrading for better performance or replacing damaged units, choosing the right tail lights is essential for both safety and style. Number 5. Boine F-150 Tail Light for Ford F-150, 2009 to 2014. Are you looking to upgrade your Ford F-150? These tail lights are designed specifically for the 2009 to 2014 models. They offer a sleek look and improved safety. These tail lights are compatible with Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2014. Ensure a perfect fit for your truck. This makes it easy to upgrade your vehicle. Made from durable ABS plastic, this pair of tail lights are built to last. They are designed to withstand daily use, making your driving experience safer. Installation is a breeze with the direct plug-and-play design. While no instructions are included, many installation videos are available online. You can also seek professional help. The package includes both the left driver side and right passenger side tail light housings. Everything you need is included for a complete upgrade. Boine offers excellent after-sales service. If you have any issues with the product, please reach out to their customer support team. They are ready to help. What we like. This tail light is made of high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring durability and safety. Installation is a breeze with its direct plug-and-play design. If you value ease of installation and long-lasting performance, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Great quality and fit like the factory, easy install. Replaced my worn tail lights with these, no issues, looks good. Buena calidad y quedaron perfectas a la F-150 XL 2014. Number 4. AUTOONE F-150 Tail Light Assembly for Ford F-150. This tail light assembly is designed specifically for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 models. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit without any modifications. However, it does not fit flare-side step-side models. The tail light assembly is designed to match the original equipment specifications. Installation is straightforward, you can directly bolt it on. No drilling or cutting is needed, making the process simple. The chrome housing with a red lens offers excellent wear resistance and reflectivity. It's also IP67 waterproof, dustproof, impact-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. Before purchasing, confirm the OE number and check your vehicle's compatibility. Please note that the assembly does not include light bulbs. It's essential to verify these details beforehand. This tail light assembly is 100% street legal and meets all regulations in the USA and Canada. You can be confident that it complies with all safety standards. What we like. This tail light is designed to be a direct replacement for your original, with no modifications needed. It's also fully street legal, meeting all USA and Canada regulations. If you're looking for a hassle-free, compliant upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. OEM fit, work great, look great. Fit perfect and easy to install. Perfect replacement for my broke tail lights. Number 3. GORWARE Tail Light for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Introducing the GORWARE tail lights, designed to significantly improve your vehicle's visibility. These lights ensure that others on the road can see you clearly, especially during nighttime driving. This enhances safety for you and everyone around you. These tail lights are specifically designed to fit 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 models. The design ensures a seamless fit, matching the original equipment specifications. It's a direct replacement, making installation straightforward. The GORWARE tail lights meet DOT and SAE safety standards. This means the product has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest safety requirements. You can trust this product to perform reliably. Constructed with high-quality materials, the lenses are made from clear polycarbonate. The side prism reflectors increase brightness and clarity. This not only makes the lights more effective but also more durable. Installation is simple with the plug-and-play design. It directly replaces your old taillights without any modifications needed. The package includes both the passenger and driver side tail lights. GORWARE offers excellent after-sales service. If you have any issues with the product, customer support is available to assist you. They are committed to ensuring your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This tail light meets DOT and SAE safety standards, ensuring both safety and quality. The high-quality materials enhance brightness and clarity, improving visibility. If you prioritize safety and easy installation, you should consider this. What people say. Fit very well also. The main bonus are the looks. Fit perfect on my 2013 F-150 Limited. Number 2. Dasbecan Tail Lights for Ford F-150 2009 to 2014. These tail lights are designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2014. They are a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit without any modifications. This product is compatible with the 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014 Ford F-150. It's a reliable solution for your vehicle. The manufacturer part numbers include F02818148, F02819148, and more. You can easily match these numbers for a seamless replacement. Installation is incredibly simple with a plug-and-play design. You won't need to drill or cut anything, just align and insert it. It is also very strong and not easy to fall off. The tail lights feature polycarbonate lenses, offering excellent light transmission and wear resistance. This ensures both safety and a sleek appearance for your vehicle. These tail lights are an ideal direct replacement. We value your satisfaction and are committed to providing a great shopping experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This tail light offers a simple plug-and-play installation, saving you time and effort. The polycarbonate lenses provide excellent light transmittance and wear resistance. If you want a quick and easy upgrade with great performance, this is the perfect option. What people say. Easy to use, great quality and looks great on the Ford. Fit perfectly, shipping speed was fast, item was exactly as described. Looks a bit better than factory style and are bright. Number 1. American Modified LED Tail Lights for Ford F-150. These smoked black tail lights offer a unique off-road look. They're designed to enhance the appearance of your truck while providing improved visibility. The all-LED design significantly boosts luminance at the rear of your vehicle. This ensures that others can see you clearly, especially in challenging weather conditions. These tail lights are compatible with 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 models. They feature an IP67 waterproof rating and are built to withstand high impacts, ensuring long-lasting performance. The lights combine brake, reverse, turn signal, and running light functions. This integrated design improves driving safety by making your intentions clear to other drivers. These tail lights are a direct replacement for your original ones. Installation is simple and doesn't require any modifications, though professional installation is recommended. What we like. This tail light features a unique smoked black design, giving your truck a distinctive look. The all-LED design provides improved luminance and driving safety. If you like a stylish upgrade that enhances visibility, you should consider it. What people say. Easy to install, they're bright. And works great for trucks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.